Hello students, welcome to science class. This is your science teacher Neha Gandhi. Today we will start chapter 4 heat. In this chapter we will study about temperature as the measurement of degree of hotness. We will also understand about the types of thermometers and their uses. Then we will also understand about the transfer of heat and its methods, conduction, convection and radiation. So let's start our chapter. In chapter 3, you learn that woolen clothes are made from animal fibers. You also know that cotton clothes are made from plant fibers. Now we wear woolen clothes in winters because they keeps us warm, and we wear light color clothes during summers because light color clothes they keeps us cool. So these gives us the feeling of coolness. You might have wondered why particular types of clothes are suitable for a particular season. In winter you feel cold inside the house. If you come out in the sun you feel warm, and in summers you feel hot even inside the house. How do we know whether an object is hot or cold? So in this chapter we will study about all these questions. Now students, we very often use the words hot and cold. It is quite cold day today, or my tea or coffee is very hot and the ice is cold. We often use these terms in our daily life. Water in this lake is ice cold, but how do we come to know whether something is hot or cold? Something feel hot when touched while other feel cold. So our sense of touch tells us whether a thing is hot or cold. By touching we tell that the particular thing is hot or cold. But does it always gives us an accurately results? To understand this, we will perform this activity. See this activity 4.1. This activity will tells us whether a sense of touch is always right about the measuring the things, whether it is hot or cold. So in this activity what you have to do, you have to take 3 small tubs or containers. As you can see here, these are the 3 containers A, B and C, right? So in container A you will put some cold water. In first container, in A container you will put cold water. In container B you will put some hot water. In A you will put cold water. In B you will put some hot water, right? In B container. And in container C, what you have to do, in container C you will mix some cold and hot water in container C. Container C is a mixture of hot and cold water. Now what you have to do, you have to dip your left hand in container A and right hand in container B. In A container you will dip your left hand, and in B container you will dip your right hand. And after this, after keeping the hands in the 2 containers for about 2 to 3 minutes, you will put both the hands simultaneously in container C. In container C is that container in which both the water are mixed, hot and cold water is mixed in container C. So when you will dip your hand in container A and container B for about 2-3 minutes, after that you will put your hands simultaneously, means एकदम से आपको container C में you have to put your hand, both the hands. Now tell me students, do both the hands get the same feeling? Now there is a confusion because we cannot always rely on our sense of touch. You will find that your right hand it will feel hot and your left hand will feel cold. Means your both the hands they will have the different type of feeling. One hand will feel hot and the other hand will feel cold. That means this activity shows that a sense of touch may not always tell us correctly whether an object is hot or cold. So to overcome this problem, what a new term temperature is, we will study here. This temperature tells us the accurate measurement of an object, whether it is hot or cold. A reliable measure of hotness of an object is known as temperature, and temperature is measured by a device known as thermometer. Right? What is temperature? Temperature is a reliable measure of the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. It tells us precisely how hot or cold a body is. The hotter an object is, the higher will be its temperature, and we use a device called thermometer to measure temperature.